Researchers this morning are calling an experimental drug for advanced breast cancer groundbreaking. It could potentially change the way cancer is treated. A new study found the drug nearly doubled the length of the time that patients lived without their disease getting worse. CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus is with us. He heads the Westside Cancer Center at the University of Southern California. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning, Nora.
So tell us what this study found.
So this was a drug that hits a molecule that overtakes the cell and basically takes the brakes off cell division. And when you give it to women, it blocks progression of the cancer by almost 10 months in this study. And these are women with a particular kind of breast cancer called estrogen receptor positive. So it's about 60% of breast cancer. So it's a big population of women.
And what makes this something that might be applicable to other cancers?
I think that's what's exciting, is that in the 1800s, we categorized cancer by body part, breast, prostate, lung, and now we're saying it's by on switch. So this hits a hijacked molecule that can be in many different cancers. There's data in prostate cancer, lung cancer, sarcoma, that this drug has benefit, so potential for really making an impact on cancer.
How does it compare to chemotherapy?
Well, a lot less side effects. It does have side effects. It lowers the white count. It has some anemia, but you don't lose your hair, and you're able to take this oral pill for 3 weeks on and 1 week off and tolerate it very well. And some of these women took it for years.
Now, the results, of course, are, though, from a phase 2 study, right? So it may be early yet.
That's the key point, is that it's a phase 2 study. But if you're a woman with breast cancer and you see this and you have advanced breast cancer, you say, I want this drug. So the question is, will Pfizer, the company that makes this particular drug, actually go to the FDA today? Or will they wait till they get their phase 3 study, which will take a couple of years?
What do you think they'll do?
Well, if I'm a woman, I want it to go today because I want this drug right away.
Right.
And the FDA has the ability, and they've done it before, of approving a drug and then taking it back when that phase 3 aren't as good as people think. So my hope and prayer are that we need arsenals to treat this cancer, and this is an important weapon in the arsenal. So my hope is it comes on the market.
And then, Doctor, the other side of the story that interested me was the business side of this. This could be the crown jewel in Pfizer's drug pipeline, right?
Yeah, they're talking about, billions of dollars in sales for this. There are 2 other companies that have drugs in development, Lilly and Novartis, that are a little bit behind this drug. But yes, this is a very large potential drug, as most cancer drugs are. It is a ubiquitous disease, unfortunately.
And that's why Wall Street's going to be watching closely. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Agus.